Hey, welcome back to the spot. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight we're taking the intake and the exhaust manifolds off of this 94 300 inline 6. I'm going to start by taking the intake off. There's a bunch of intake bolts from one side to the other. They're all 14mm bolts. Got a 14 on a wall with an extension on the end of my ratchet wrench. Take a look at what I'm doing. So, down through here, there are a series of bolts on the intake. They're all 14mm. I've got the socket on the next one. Exhaust all along this. There's a fuel rail and some vacuum lines and stuff like that that'll all come with it. You gotta take them off. And this is EGR port. Eventually I can get this head plugged on each one of those. And then we're gonna remove this on this side right here. Then all the rest of it should stay with it.
So starting at the back of the block over here, and today I'm working my way forward on the intake bolts as I go inside of this, so I know later on where they're at.
Gotta do something with that hose.
I've got hose. Go to Lowe's. Get a attachment. These are the things that I'm trying to get to. I don't know if you can see it, but put it in the board, move on to the next one. Just so on and so forth all the way down the line. This is a Javin 3/8" ratchet wrench. I've had it for almost 2 years. Got it off TikTok like $30. That's a really good tool, man. Exhaust bolts, same thing, working from the bottom of the block. This time, right here was a bolt. The one that's in my hand, you just watch me take out. Here, and here. exhaust manifold's off. Alright, welcome back to the spot. So, like I just showed you, got the whole entire intake loose everywhere. On the other side, just need to take this bolt off here. I'm pretty sure I can pick up the whole entire intake and set it off to the side there. Yep, same, 14 millimeter, just like the exhaust bolts. Hopefully you got a cool view of whatever that was. This is where we're at now. Intake, like I was saying, all the injectors, everything, fuel rail, all that stays with it. Throttle body, everything. Just leave it all together. That back one came off whenever I started undoing it. This one's still on here because there's a primary bolt at the top right there holding them in. Probably just going to put those bolts here, where they need to be on that board, and then keep going, I guess. Or motor mounts. Getting all brand new motor mounts. Learning, boys. Bulls don't hurt me.
All right, that's going to be it for tonight at the spot. I'm Logan. This is Gould's Garage. Later, Gator.